So, you're busy, right? And only getting busier. So busy that you don't have time to cook a square meal. Well, I have great news for you. Just order prepared meals from Diamond State Meal Prep, a meal prep company based in and serving the people of Central Arkansas. We have 6 meals we prepare. Spaghetti with the best homemade meatballs, slow roasted pod roast with potatoes and carrots, Mediterranean chicken with brown rice, grilled chicken with broccoli and brown rice, roasted chicken with brown rice and asparagus, and our succulent steak and gravy with brown rice and broccoli. Order Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. by phone at 501-256-2516 or purchase faster online at diamondstatemealprep.com. Orders will be delivered to your door every Sunday for as long as you order. Orders placed on Saturday will not be filled until the following Sunday, so be sure to order Monday through Friday. Shop with us today and get fresh food without the extra effort. Diamond State Meal Prep. Eat healthy, live strong.